I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz & Swartz. So if your child has been injured in an accident, whether a car accident or by a defective product or someone else's negligence, it's important to understand what your legal rights are and, of course, what your child's rights are moving forward. There are some basic but important elements to make sure you address after such an accident, either yourself or with your experienced attorney, to make sure that your child's rights are protected. First, understand that there are deadlines involved. So if you're dealing with an insurance company, that insurance company may be slow to respond to your inquiries, may be slow to get back to you after you provided information. That's a common tactic to try to drag out the process, understanding that medical bills may be piling up and there may be pressure to try to resolve the claim. Also, if your claim is going to be filed in court, there are specific deadlines that every state has in order to accomplish that. So for example, in Massachusetts, there's typically a 3-year statute of limitations. That is, you have 3 years from the date of the accident or injury to file a claim in court. If you don't meet that deadline, then you cannot pursue a claim any further. Certainly the insurance companies understand this, but it's important that you understand as well the time frame involved so that if indeed you need to file a complaint in court, you know that you have time to do so. Second, be aware that the insurance company is a big business and they have one main interest in mind, and it doesn't have to do with your interest or the interest of your child. As a business, they're concerned about the bottom line, about saving money, about making money. And what that means is that their focus is on paying as little as possible with respect to your claim, your child's claim. In addition to the insurance company being focused on paying as little as possible for your claim, be aware that the insurance company will also be paying attention to any statements you may be making, which could be taken as against your interest with respect to the happening of the accident. So if they ask for example, a written statement, or they're recording conversations that you're having with them, they can potentially use that information as evidence to try to reduce the amount of payments made in any claim pursued by your child. So it's best to secure the services of an experienced child injury attorney before you start having contact with these insurance companies. Third, preserving evidence is very important. So witnesses, for example, if too much time passes, may forget certain details of the accident that may be important in order to support the claims you're making. So getting an investigator out early or having your attorney involved early will certainly help in terms of securing that type of evidence for use later once you pursue the claim in court. Other evidence such as medical records, medical bills, police reports, police accident investigations, all are extremely important and must be collected early, again, in order to put the puzzle pieces together and be sure you have a solid claim moving forward and to make sure that you're getting the best recovery you can for your child. An experienced attorney can assist all the way through with that process. Finally, it's important to understand that hiring an attorney is affordable. Typically, a personal injury attorney will not ask for any upfront money in order to have a consultation. And then once that attorney agrees to represent you, your child, your family in the claim pending, that attorney will be paid only if there's a successful conclusion to your case. So if you have questions about your child's rights after an injury in an accident caused by someone else's negligence, contact Swartz & Swartz.